RNAi is the topic we're going to be talking about. So RNAi is a form of gene regulation through microRNA or miRNA. So miRNA are these non-coding little RNAs that act like proteins. They're similar to the structure of tRNA with their classic hairpin. So normal RNA right here has a specific sequence, then it binds back on itself and forms the hairpin loop that we see. So this hairpin loop will then go on to function like a protein. So it is cut first by dicer. So dicer is an enzyme. This enzyme is used to cut. It just cleaves this hairpin loop off and leaves this double-stranded RNA segment. This double-stranded RNA segment is then cut into specific pieces by dicer again. So dicer comes in and then cuts this further. And then this smaller segment, this smaller specific piece, is then recognized by RISC complex, double-stranded RNA. RISC spelled like this. This RISC complex comes in, binds here, and then it next cuts this double-stranded RNA into single-stranded RNA. So it's like peeled back, and then it's left like the RISC complex still bound, but it's like this. Now the RISC complex will take it to a specific mRNA sequence that is that's used for coding for proteins that would make a specific function in the cell. It then binds here, mRNA binds, and the RISC complex will cut it, like just cut it like here. And then you're left with this single cut up piece of mRNA, this aberrant mRNA. This aberrant mRNA is then broken down by the cell because it's just not useful anymore because it's only a part of it. It's recognized as foreign, not foreign, but it just gets broken down. This is a form of gene regulation in the cell because that mRNA is broken down. It would code for proteins in the cell that are not made, leading to cell differentiation because not all cells experience the same mRNA breakdown through miRNA.